And lastly, the Supreme Court is now set to examine whether SREI Equipment Finance Limited, a company backed by the Government of India, is required to follow the Reserve Bank of India's circulars while assigning debt. The case reached the apex court after the Calcutta High Court on 9th June this year had set aside a trial court's injunction against SREI's debt assignment process under the Swiss challenge method. The High Court held that the petitioner, that is International Financial Service Limited, did not have the locus standi to challenge the process since it was neither a bidder nor had shown eligibility to participate. It also upheld the Swiss challenge method as a valid mechanism under RBI's 2021 Master Circular and a previous Supreme Court ruling in the Ravi development case. Despite this, the High Court kept its order on hold for 15 days, allowing IFSL to approach the Supreme Court. Acting within that window, IFSL filed a petition, and the Supreme Court has now issued notice in the matter and stayed SREI's debt assignment process until the next hearing, which is scheduled for 5th August now. The court also restrained SREI from finalizing its expression of interest process. During the hearing, IFSL argued that since SREI is now controlled by the government-backed National Asset Reconstruction Company, it should be treated as a government company and follow stricter RBI rules. These include transparency in bidder selection, adequate due diligence time, and mandatory valuation from two external experts for large debts. SREI, on the other hand, pushed back, saying that IFSL has no legal right to challenge the process as it's neither a borrower nor a bidder. They maintained that the entire petition was without merit and that the High Court had already dealt with these concerns. Well, now the Supreme Court will take up the matter in detail in August to decide key questions about transparency, RBI compliance, and whether government-backed companies like SREI have a heightened responsibility under financial regulations.